How does it sound if you play video games, answer a few questions, watch viral videos, and getting money while doing that? So this is what I'm going to talk to you about, guys, today. A website that will pay you just to do that. Watch games, play video games, answer questions, watch viral videos, and so on. So before we go ahead and start this video, as always, I would like to ask you to go ahead and click the subscribe button if you haven't already, because I want you to be on my channel. It would be a great honor to have you on my channel, guys. I'm learning a lot from you as well, so I do want you to click the subscribe button so I can get your feedback. And with no further ado, let's go ahead and show you what is this website all about. So guys, the site I'm talking to you about today is earnapply.com. The link is always listed below, so you can get everything from the description of this video. And what is this site doing, guys? It will assign you different tasks, and you have the option to choose based on what you would like to do. Complete the task. A task can be play a video game, watch viral videos, or answer a few emails, and you're getting points that you can see from here. You're getting points on your account directly, and you can redeem these points. Now, very nice, cool feature that a lot of sites don't have is that you can put an auto redeem. So I'm gonna show you in a little bit how it works. Where with the auto redeem, you will be able to choose the amount of points you would like to receive. Let's say, for example, if you make 100 points, you're gonna make it $1. Automatically, when you reach this point, it will be taken as a payment in your PayPal account. I'm gonna explain a little bit in details just in a second. As you can see here, you can complete offer and get rewards. Earnapply is an online rewards and cashback site. It's completely free to use, guys. The only thing you need to do to register on this is just to put a valid email and give your PayPal account so they can send you the payment. No credit card needed. It's totally free to register, so don't worry about this. It's totally free, and it's completely free to use. It says, best of all, it's easy to get started, very easy to use as well, and you can earn points by completing different tasks. As you can see, 5 minutes you're getting 23 points, 58 points. This is a different colors and different points you get based on the different tasks. Each task is a different way to get points, and I'm going to show you this one. You can, once you sign in and you go to the top, there is a menu says earn. It's going to be a drop down menu. You can choose from video, from downloading apps, from completing surveys, or even watch viral videos. If you like to watch viral videos, you go to YouTube and you just want to kill some time and spend some time and you have nothing to do, you watch viral videos to have some good time. Yeah, so you can do this with this site and you get paid out of it. So also, when maybe you are looking to do some cooking and you're looking for cooking videos, the same thing. You can watch this, you can learn how to make the recipes and so on, and you're getting paid out of it as well. So how is it? You can redeem the points at any time, which is also amazing. You don't have a limitation on the points. You can also redeem it when you reach specific points. So you have here is a small example. Once you reach the 500 points, you get $5, $25, $10. You even get in Bitcoin payments based on the different points you receive. Even if you invite friends, you'll be able to get more points and discounts, and you go from there. Now, two things that I know you guys gonna be wondering, and I'm sure you're gonna want to know, which is totally makes sense. I want you to scroll the way down because people from all around the world is watching this, and they are asking if this is applicable to my country and if there is any limitation on the money to getting paid. So, going to answer question 1. Which countries are available? Go all the way down, guys, just to see, before you go do anything, to see if it's available in your country. Come to support, help center, and you can come down here and see, is Earnapply available in my country? Click here and you can see if your country is not included, then it's, I know it's available in most of the Europe countries, US, UK, Canada, Australia, and then below it's a list of countries that this is not allowed, at least for the moment. So not allowed, not available, sorry. Now the other question is if I have to have a certain amount of points gathered. Guys, no, as soon as you have the points, you are able to redeem them in your PayPal account. And a cool feature that they have on this is that, let's say for example, you want to automatically redeem your points on your PayPal account. Once you have $1, automatically it can go. Once the points is enough for $1, which is not that many, you can do this easily by completing a few tasks. Once it's done, you go to your PayPal account without have to do it manually. When you do this and you put it to auto redeem, there is 1% charge. So if you're doing this, just keep in mind there's going to be 1% charge for the auto redeem. But other than that, guys, this is a very nice, legit site. A lot of people using this, and a lot of feedback is good out there. You're getting paid like this at no time. You have the option even to get a Bitcoin payment. So it's free to join, very easy, very user friendly to use. Check if you're allowed to do this in your country and start utilizing this now. I know this, as always, is not gonna make you rich overnight. It's gonna bring you some income, guys. But if you want to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make passive income from the comfort of your house every single day, money coming in when you do this and you say, this is what I'm doing the last few months, and I quitted my job and I'm doing this on full time. I'm very happy. I was never happy, guys. I want to share this. Everybody should try. Everybody should do this. Nobody should work on a lazy job or a job you don't like for a boss you don't like. So click the link description below to see my #1 recommendation on how you can do this. Also free to start. So you're gonna thank me later on. If you like the content of this video, guys, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Do go ahead and click the subscribe button following the video, and I will see you in the next video. Start making some money. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye, guys.